Hi, I'm Danielle Cuccio, yoga instructor and CEO of wellness brand Cuccio Somatology, and today we are going to be doing a balancing sequence. So we all live really busy lives. I am a new mom. I'm CEO of my company. I have a family to take care of. I feel like sometimes I'm in a million places at once. So it's really difficult sometimes to find that work-life balance, and I use yoga as a tool to help me find that balance. So not just when I'm on my mat, but when I'm off my mat as well. Let's get started. We're going to start with our feet hip distance apart. And you're going to take your hands to your heart center. You'll soften your eyes closed, your shoulders will come away from your ears, and you'll just start to find your breath. So nice Ujjayi breath, inhaling through the nose. Exhale through the nose. Finding that ocean sound at the back of your throat on each exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Just continue your breath here and start to notice the weight of your feet on your mat. So yes, we do this pose every day. It might seem really simple, but I want you to just bring a little more awareness to just an easy standing pose. Finding your breath, maybe noticing how you're feeling today. Just gently taking note of the energy you brought onto your mat with you. Maybe there is an area of your life that you're needing a bit more balance. Maybe there's been an area of your life that you've been slacking in, or maybe it needs a little more love and attention. Take a nice deep breath in together. Inhale. Exhale. And then just slowly start to float your eyes open. Let your arms come by your sides, and we'll come into a nice easy downward facing dog. So I like to say it's just an upside down V shape with our body. So the tailbone comes high. Relax the head. Relax your heels. Maybe shake your head side to side. And then when you're ready, inhale the right leg up towards the sky. Deep breath in. Exhale, bend the knee and step your foot in between your hands. So instantly we're gonna find a balancing pose, crescent pose. Bend into that back knee though. That's gonna help stabilize you and also help you bring the tailbone down so we don't arch our lower back. So then from here, you're going to take the left knee towards your chest. So slowly just bring that left knee up. Take your time, no rush. If you fall out of it, no big deal, we're having fun. And then from here, you're going to gently take the left knee down. Take your left arm by the side of your body and grab a hold of your left foot. So this is not an easy balancing pose, king dancer's pose. So I'm a dancer, I love this one. Left knee meets our right knee first. Inhale, find length, grow tall. Exhale, take your heart forward. Kick your left foot into your left hand. Now stare at something in front of you. That's your drishti, that's your focal point that's gonna help you find that balance. And breathe. Deep inhale. Exhale. Slowly come out of it. So from here, you're gonna just gently release that left foot. Take your hands to your heart, take the left knee towards your chest, and then open up the hip. Hook your left ankle on top of your right knee and bend into your right knee. You might feel a little burn, and that's a part of this. Maybe take your hands towards your left shin, maybe bend your right knee and take your hands all the way down. Now we have a hip opener and we're balancing. Breathe here, relax your neck. Take a deep breath in. On your exhale, slowly come all the way back up. Straighten your right leg, hands come to heart, and release your left foot. Shake it out, let it go. So something I want to remind you guys is that you should just do your best. You know, when you're on your mat, if you fall out of something, you're not that far from your mat, one, so you're not going to go very far. And two, so what? We're having fun. Yoga should be fun. We're playing. This is playful. Okay, so now, from here, just take your feet hip distance apart. Inhale, lift the arms up, deep breath in. Exhale, swan dive, forward fold. Lead with your heart, flat back, hands come all the way down. Inhale, halfway lift. Keep your feet hip distance apart, flat back, tabletop with the spine, shoulder blades close together. And then exhale, forward fold, release the head. Plant your palms, walk your feet back, come into downward facing dog, tailbone comes high. Relax your neck, find length in your spine. Crown of the head away from your tailbone. Inhale the left leg up towards the sky. Exhale, bend the knee, step your foot all the way through low lunge. Back to that balancing left side. Inhale, lift the body up, crescent pose. Bend your right knee. So we're going to take the right knee towards our chest this time. Take your time. Right elbow comes towards the side of our waist. Take your right hand, take it towards the inside of your right foot. Take your knees to match. Inhale, find length, grow tall. Then exhale, take your heart forward, finding length, king dancer's pose. Same thing here. Look forward, kick your right foot into your right hand. Find that edge. You got it. Deep breath in. Exhale, come all the way back up. So we're going to take our hands to our heart here, right knee back towards your chest. Open up that right hip. Hook your ankle on top of your left thigh. And you're going to bend into that left knee. Bend into the left knee. Hands can come towards your right shin. You can also take your hands down. So the more you bend into your left knee, the more you're going to feel it on that right hip. Breathe, relax. All right, so back to that balance. Let's start to push into that left foot. Take your hands to your heart. Take the right knee towards your chest and then release the foot down. Feet down, relax, shoulders relax. Shake it out. And we'll meet with the feet hip distance apart. Inhale, lift the arms up, deep breath in. Exhale, swan dive. Lead with the heart, flat back, hands come down. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Plant your palms, walk your feet back. Come into downward facing dog, tailbone high. Okay, so different this time. We're going to bend our knees. Come onto the balls of the feet and just walk your feet towards your hands. So you're going to come into a nice forward fold here. And we're going to bend our knees. We're going to roll up slowly, vertebra by vertebra, no rush at all. Chin comes away from the chest. Head is the last thing up. And just relax your shoulders away from the ears here. So we're going to find tree pose. Feet hip distance apart, hands to heart. So you're going to start by taking your right foot towards your left inner thigh. So if you want, you can reach towards the foot and maybe just placing it there. Really push into that left foot. Again, maybe stare at a point that will help you balance. And just breathe. So as I said, I'm a new mom, I have a business, I teach yoga, I'm always running around. It's super important for me to find time on my mat to find not just these balancing poses, but to try to find a connection with myself. So that way I can kind of see where maybe I'm lacking or where I haven't been putting enough attention or energy into. It's really what yoga does. It helps us find that awareness. And then when you're ready, gently release. Look at that. I was holding the pose the whole time. Then from here, you're going to do the other side. So hands to heart. Right hip lines up with our right ankle. You're going to take your left foot towards your right inner thigh. Hands to heart. Really anchor your right foot down. Grow tall. Shoulders away from the ears. Crown of the head up. So yoga, of course, is a part of self-care. And when we're stressed, when we have a lot of things going on, it's super important to take this time for self-care. Yoga is one way to do that. There are many other ways. You can go on a walk. You can go to a workout class. It doesn't have to be a workout. You can sit on your couch and watch TV if that's self-care for you. It's all about balance. And then when you're ready, deep breath in. And then just gently place the left foot down and just shake it out. And we'll just take our feet down towards the mat where we started, our hands to our heart. We'll slowly close our eyes and just come back to that breath. Notice how you're feeling. And maybe taking with you something from your practice or from your mat today that you learned. So is there an area of your life that you can give more love to? Somewhere you haven't been paying enough attention to that needs some love? Maybe just some knowledge about how you can live a more balanced life. And just taking a nice deep breath in. Inhale. Exhale. And just bowing the head towards the heart. Thanking yourself for taking a few moments for yourself. This really makes a big difference. Finding more balance, more clarity, and more peace in your life. Namaste.